In this section, we're going to talk about constructing walls to contain the rubber when you pour it. There's several different things I've used and had good luck with most of them. This is foam board that you can get at most hobby supplies. It's easy to cut. It makes a great dam or wall. You can cut it just using a box cutter and a straight edge. Some people like to use hot glue guns to glue it down and seal between the platen or wherever you're gluing it to and the foam board itself. I personally don't like to use hot glue guns. I use silicone. And what I usually use is GE waterproof clear silicone. It does take, 6 to 24 hours to dry, but it makes a lot more positive seal, so you don't get any leakage when you're pouring your RTV rubber. The other thing you can use is, and one of my favorite things to use, is just MDF, which you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's, any home improvement store like that. This is very flat and very straight, and that's really important on a two-piece mold that you're going to want to clamp or have a closure on. Not so important on an open face mold like this, but when you want a true flat edge, the best thing to use is MDF. And of course, the third option, and one of the most common options, is to just use clay, like clean clay. In the wintertime, here at this shop, I usually have to warm that up in a small toaster oven or even a microwave, and then form it, roll it with a rolling pin or whatever, just to shape your wall. And the nice thing about clay, of course, is you can make irregular shapes. And irregular shapes on a mold a lot of times saves you a lot of money. The fourth thing that you can use would be like Legos or little building blocks. I've never really liked that method, but a lot of people use it successfully. But that pretty much covers, building the walls or the dam.